Click on the link below to get price. The FIRMAN T12071 tri-fuel portable generator is a powerhouse that seamlessly combines versatility, performance, and safety features, making it an excellent choice for both home backup and outdoor use. With a robust 15,000 W output, it can handle heavy loads effortlessly, powering essentials during outages or supplying energy for tools during camping trips or events. One of the standout features of the T12071 is its tri-fuel capability, allowing it to run on propane, natural gas, or gasoline. This flexibility is particularly useful for users who want to choose the most convenient or cost-effective fuel source. The generator's 760 cubic centimeters engine provides impressive power and efficiency, ensuring that it can sustain operation for extended periods. On a full tank of gasoline, users can expect around 12 hours of runtime at a 50% load, which is quite impressive for generators in this range. The electric start feature enhances user convenience, allowing for easy operation with just the push of a button, rather than the traditional pull start method. This is especially beneficial for those who may not have the strength to manually start a generator, making it accessible for a broader audience. Safety is prioritized with the CO Alert technology, which automatically shuts down the generator if carbon monoxide levels become dangerously high. This feature adds peace of mind, particularly when using the generator indoors or in enclosed spaces. The build quality of the T12071 is sturdy, featuring a robust frame and durable wheels for easy mobility. Its compact design makes it easier to transport, which is a significant advantage for users who need to move it frequently. Overall, the FIRMAN T12071 tri-fuel portable generator offers exceptional value for its price. With its powerful engine, versatile fuel options, user-friendly features, and essential safety mechanisms, it stands out as a reliable solution for anyone in need of a dependable power source. Whether for home backup or off-grid adventures, this generator will not disappoint.